In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off camera on Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and you want to stop sharing your video, the good news is that it only takes a second. This is useful if you need a little more privacy, if you're stepping away from your screen, or if you simply don't want others to see your camera feed during the meeting. Once you're inside the Zoom meeting window, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. In that area, you'll see the camera icon. This is the video control for your meeting, and it lets you quickly turn your camera on or off whenever you need to. To turn off your camera, simply click on that camera icon in the bottom left corner. As soon as you do, your video will be disabled, which means other people in the meeting will no longer see your live camera feed. In most cases, Zoom will replace your video with your profile image or your name, depending on your account settings. If you're following along and don't immediately see the bottom toolbar, move your mouse slightly over the Zoom window. Sometimes the controls hide automatically when you're not using them, especially in full screen mode. Once the toolbar appears, you should be able to find the camera icon easily. A helpful thing to remember is that this same button can also be used again later if you want to turn your camera back on. So if you disable your video for a moment, you can return to the meeting on camera at any time by clicking the same icon again. Also, make sure you're clicking the camera icon and not the microphone icon next to it. The microphone button controls your audio, while the camera button controls your video. That small difference is important, especially during a live meeting when you want to make a quick change without interrupting anything. So to recap, all you need to do is go to the bottom left corner of the Zoom window